I never would have expected this in a million years, but here we are. I did a 2-day whirlwind trip to Austin to pack the car full of as many of my things as I could fit in it to bring to Houston and get my RV ready to go into storage. Whew, that was a lot. I have a nice big walk-in closet. However, take a look. Yes, it is filled with file boxes and holiday decorations. And let's see, toys from my childhood. Remember that game Pigmania? That was fun. Oh my goodness. My brother's Ford Apache. Wow. All kinds of stuff. This is my mom's doll from when she was little. This is Susan. She comes out at Christmas time along with the little trike, and you can't see it, but there's a little wagon under Susan. And yeah, so, oh yeah, New Year's Eve stuff. I have managed to get a few clothes in here, but I'll definitely have to do some cleaning out. Luckily she has a free storage downstairs, so we will be taking, probably a lot of these decorations can come out. We're not going to need those till Christmas, so yeah. That'll open up a big section for me. And then she said some of these file boxes could go out too. But, yeah, I'm thinking mainly the Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter decorations type thing will open up this whole other section for me, and we'll be good. Oh, goodness. Whew, all right. Now time for a little rest on the sofa with some coffee. So good. I will see you in the next video where I get all unpacked and everything in its place and show you how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and share.